Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the Pinterest marketing course. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how we can optimize the Pinterest pin and how we can upload the pin and how we post the pin. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to open the Pinterest ad account for the keyword research. I also told you this method. So first of all, we are creating a Pinterest board. A board is just like a group, so we create multiple boards and save pins in the board. So our board name is inspirational quotes. So these are the some other people pins, so I also save these some pins in my this board. So click on done, and as you see, these pins are saved. So I click on plus button and create pin. You can also create pin by clicking this create button like this. You can click on create pin, create idea pin, go live. So that's it. And the board is, this is the board. If we have multiple boards, then we have to select the boards in which we want to post the pin. So I click on this, and here I download the pin which we created in our previous video. So this is the pin, work hard for success. First of all, the title, work hard for success. We must add our board name. This is the good practice. If we have character limits, like I have 53 character limits, then we can also write our account name, which is quotes journey. So copy all the text and also paste it in the description, and after that write a good description, like this is a very inspirational quote which help you to inspire to do work hard for success. So guys, you can see I also place the keyword in my description. So after that we have to write keywords. So first keyword is inspirational quotes. But I also want to add some related keywords. So I click on this inspirational quotes and I go to the keyword planner of Pinterest, and I told you this method in the previous videos, so go there and search this method. This is the method 2 of Pinterest marketing. So sorry, method 2 of Pinterest keyword research. So I write here inspirational quotes, and it show me different keywords, so I choose 3 to 4 keywords. 1 2 3 4 5, that's it. And I paste these keywords here and place comma after every keyword. So after that there is all text, and here we write hashtags. Like our key, we can also add hashtags before our keywords. But in hashtags we cannot add comma after keyword. So after that, destination link is the link where you want to derive your traffic. So I want to drive my traffic to my website, so I paste the link here. So when anyone click on this pin, it will redirect it towards my website. After that, if you want to publish the pin uh, now, then you can click on publish button, and if you want to publish on a later time, so click on this publish at a later date, and after that select your date and time. But I want to publish now, so I click on publish button. You must fix the highlighted issues. What is the highlighted issues? Okay, sorry, click on publish immediately. So after that I click on publish button. So it is posting, just wait for some seconds. So that's it, it is posted. So as you can see, this is our board, and this is our all pins, and after that when I click on created, it will show me the pins I posted. So this is the analytics, like views, saves, and outbound clicks. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So guys, in the next video, this I will show you how you can grow followers on Pinterest, and maybe that is the last video of our Pinterest marketing course. So stay tuned and keep learning. I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.